Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play the Seashell mini game and the Dressed and Price game of Roblox summer update. Okay, first you're going to go to the free play mode and you're going to go to this area. Then you need to meet this NPC. Okay, then click on the E button to start the Seashells game. And basically guys, you need to find 15 seashells, and this is how the seashell looks like. Just click on the seashell and you will collect them. Okay, just keep exploring this area guys, and once you see the seashell, just click on it and continue until you find all the seashells, and after that you'll get flowers, the flowers currency. Okay, explore this area. And wait, I'm gonna speed up my video because it's too long, but basically just collect 15 seashells, and after you collect all of them, you'll be able to get flower currencies. As you can see, I got 120 flowers, and then you can go back in 24 hours. Okay guys, and that's how you can complete the Seashell mini game and Dressed and Price game of Roblox summer update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.